Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the TimberClaw Pocket Saw, the #1 must-have tool for any doer. Now this features 33 razor-sharp teeth that will glide through just about any job. Take a look. This effortlessly glides through timber like butter. Even these decently sized tree branches were no match for the TimberClaw. Now one of my favorite features is that this takes safety seriously because it includes a high quality lock that keeps the blade safely in place, whether it's in its open position or closed position. Not to mention it folds up into a compact travel friendly size, so you can stick this right in your pocket. Plus it has a non-slip rubberized grip so you can comfortably cut with precision. Now one thing's for sure, this is a high quality tool that's made to last. And we have an incredible deal on the site. So head on over there and grab your TimberClaw Pocket Saw today.